Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming the tedious and slow process of planting potatoes by hand into an effortlessly efficient task. You might think traditional gardening methods are your only option, but I'll show you how to give a simple piece of metal a completely new purpose. I'm starting with a rectangular metal tube. The first step is to carefully measure and mark the exact dimensions on both the width and length, ensuring precision for the subsequent cuts. Next, I'm marking diagonal lines in the corners to the center on one end. These marks will guide my cuts, creating the tapered shape we need for the digging head of our planter. Now, I'll secure the metal tube firmly in a vise. Using an angle grinder, I carefully cut along the diagonal lines I marked. This process will form the initial pointed shape of our planter's head, allowing it to easily penetrate the soil. I'm repeating the diagonal cuts on the remaining sides of the tube. By cutting along these lines, I'm creating a symmetrical, pyramid-like structure that will be incredibly efficient at making planting holes. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. It's like shaping a custom shovel. I'm using the angle grinder with a flap disc to smooth out all the rough edges and ensure the pointed tip is sharp and clean. With the shaping complete, I position the two metal pieces together. I'm carefully welding the seam where the two pieces meet, starting from the tip. This weld temporarily secures the tool in place while it is being adjusted. I'm marking lines to adjust the homemade tool. Using the angle grinder again, I cut along the marked lines. Next, I'm preparing the guide bar. I'm taking a flat piece of metal and marking out several equidistant points. After cutting, prepare small straight lines on the piece of metal. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm marking out several equidistant points. These marks will be where I drill holes. These markings help me create adjustable hinges for the gardening tools. Now for the holes. Using my drill press, I'm making several holes in the metal bar. Consistency in drilling ensures smooth operation when we assemble everything. Next, I'm cutting small L-shaped brackets. These will act as sturdy connectors for our adjustable planting mechanism. The angle grinder allows for quick and accurate cuts, making sure each bracket is uniform. After cutting, I use the grinder to smooth out the rough edges of these small brackets. I'm now assembling the L-shaped brackets with bolts and nuts. These supports will allow for adjustment of the planting tools, providing flexibility for different types of plants. Tightening the nuts ensures a secure, robust connection. I'm carefully placing one of the assembled L-shaped brackets onto the top of the potato planter. This is where our adjustment mechanism begins to take shape. I'm securely welding the first L-shaped support to the edge of the potato planting tool head. This weld needs to be extremely strong to hold the adjustment rod in place while digging. After welding, I clean away any slag or excess material from the weld. I'm now welding the second L bracket onto the opposite side of the digging head. Symmetrical placement and strong welds are essential for balanced operation and durability when the tool is in use. I once again clean and smooth the welded areas. Ensuring there are no sharp edges or protrusions is important for the safety and efficiency of the tools. Next, I'm preparing the handle. I'm taking a sturdy metal bar and marking it to match before welding. I cut the metal bar precisely along the marked position for the handle. This ensures the handle is robust and ready to be attached, providing the leverage required for efficient planting. I'm welding the first part of the handle to the main digging head. This connection needs to be incredibly strong, as it will bear the brunt of force when pressing the tool into the ground. I'm meticulously cleaning the weld, removing any spatter or rough spots. I'm welding a second handle piece parallel to the first. This dual handle design provides better control and leverage, reducing strain on your back while gardening. I'm making sure all the welds are clean and smooth on the second handle. And there you have it, our incredible multifunctional potato planter, made from simple metal pieces. Look at how effortlessly this tool works. I can quickly dig a hole, drop in a potato, and cover in seconds without bending over or using a messy trowel. It's so much faster and more efficient than traditional methods. See how perfectly it works? Just push, drop, and lift. This homemade tool is truly revolutionary for gardeners. No more back pain or wasted time. Just quick, easy, and precise planting every single time. A quick close-up to show you how effectively it grabs and releases a potato, ensuring consistent depth and spacing. This design makes potato planting a breeze. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.